Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova Y91, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy section. Following that, click on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's options that you wish to manage, like Contacts. Then tap on one of your apps under those sections, Allowed or Denied. I will go with Chrome, and tap on one of those options to set up the best one for you, Allow or Deny. I will go with Allow, so when I click and go back, I can see that Chrome just gained access to my device's contacts if I'm using this browser. But you can always select any feature and click on an app that you wish to manage, like Microsoft SwiftKey Keyboard. Then, instead of applying one of those options, click on See All Permissions below them and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!